He is the Green Prince, a gentleman farmer passionate about the land and not afraid to speak his mind. Princ Charls has strong views on GM food and he feels it threatens the future.
What we should be talking about is food security, not food production. That's what matters, and that's what people will not understand. And if they think also, by the way, that somehow it's all going to work because they're going to have one form of clever genetic engineering after another, then again count me out, because that will be guaranteed to cause the biggest disaster environmentally of all time.
Despite the Prince's doubts, there's huge pressure to plant more GM crops. With world food running out and prices soaring, the number of sites have increased, meaning his comments will be controversial.
What he believes is that we have to return to a world largely dominated by traditional farming, family farms, traditional breeds, native breeds. And if we go down the route of all these hybrids, well, that is the road to ruin.
There are 54 GM trials in the UK, all highly regulated and hugely debated. Some of the sites have seen protests and clashes with crops destroyed, but those behind the science maintain it's a breakthrough.
There have been no great environmental hazards or damage. In fact, there's been a lot of environmental improvement for various reasons. So I don't recognise what the Prince says, and I don't see where the opportunity for these enormous amounts of damage is going to come from.
The Prince has once again waded into difficult waters. His comments have angered the food industry during a critical time. But they will be welcome words for the environmental campaigners, happy to see their plight highlighted by royalty. Paul Harrison, Sky News.